Hello guys, another day, another job. For this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kami tumatawid sa Panama Canal. Panama Canal is a vital artificial waterway that connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, dramatically shortening shipping route.
Oh my God! Wow!
Uses a lock system to raise and lower the ships, overcoming the elevation of difference. Is a marvel of engineering and a crucial hub for global trade, reducing travel time and cost for the ship. The canal utilizes a system of locks that act as water elevators. These locks raise ships to the level of Gatun Lake as artificial lake and then lower them back down to sea level. The canal is approximately 80 kilometers long from deep water to deep water. A large amount of fresh water from Gatun Lake is used in each lock operation. This has caused concerns during times of drought. Its construction was a massive undertaking with significant challenges and human cost. Ownership: the canal was transferred to Panamanian control in 1999. Thousands of ships transit the canal each year, connecting ports worldwide.